In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use grenades and arc raiders. Grenades are a simple but powerful tool, and once you understand the basics, you can use them to control space, flush enemies out of cover, and turn tough fights in your favor. We'll keep it safe, clear, and straightforward, so you can practice with confidence. First, start in the practice range. This is the best place to get comfortable without pressure. The practice range gives you room to experiment with distance, timing, and angles, and it lets you see exactly how the grenade behaves without risking a mission. Take a moment to move around, find some targets or markers, and give yourself a little space to throw. Next, check your inventory. Make sure you actually have grenades available and note how many you're carrying. This is also where you confirm which grenade type you're using, since different types may feel slightly different in weight and flight. Once you've confirmed you have them, put your grenade into your quick pouch. The quick pouch is your fast access slot, and it's what allows you to pull the grenade out instantly when you need it. Think of it like your on-hand gear pocket. When you're ready, press Q to access the quick pouch. If you've rebound your controls, use the key that opens your quick slot. From there, select the grenade. You should see your character ready to throw, and the game will switch to a throwing stance so you can aim accurately. Now, simply hold left, click. As you hold, you'll see the grenade's trajectory appear on the screen. This preview line shows where the grenade will travel and where it's likely to land. Use it to line up your throw, paying attention to elevation and any obstacles that might block the arc. If you want to reach farther, aim higher. If you need a tighter, shorter throw, lower your aim toward the ground in front of you. Small adjustments here make a big difference in where the grenade lands. When the trajectory looks right, release the mouse button to throw. That's the entire throw cycle. Prepare, aim with the preview, and release. After you throw, watch the target area so you can learn from the result. Notice how the grenade bounces, how long it takes to detonate, and how terrain affects the final landing spot. Avoid throwing too close to yourself, and be mindful of cover edges or door frames that might catch your throw. Repeat this process in the practice range until it feels natural. With a little practice, you'll be throwing precisely and safely every time.